Please understand some of the basic truths, the basic sacred secrets you need to know from this verse is constantly offering all your actions into your prana. What it means? Means during all your activities, how much ever it may be demanding, without losing yourself, completely centered, being centered in enchanting, feeling connection and unclutching. That is what Krishna means, offering all your actions into prana. Please understand. Here prana means the ability of self-remembrance, ability of being spiritual centered, enlightenment centered, Atma centric, higher self centered. That is what is exactly meant by the word prana. All you need to do, let the whole day, your routine, your life be centered on this self-remembrance, these three actions: enchanting, feeling connection, unclutching. Whole day. Unfortunately, some of your actions demand your complete attention, emotion, complete involvement. Even during those actions, start empowering the moments of remembrance. Please understand. Start empowering. Many of your actions may demand your whole attention. In the beginning, it may not be that easily possible for you to be centered on unclutching and enchanting and feeling connection. But I tell you, any activity, any action is possible being centered on prana just by little practice. That is why Krishna says in another one Bhagavad Gita verse, even little bit of practice of this great science brings huge benefit. It's like billions of rupees worth diamonds and gold is there in one room. You are doing only one small action, opening the room. You would have never imagined just that small action of opening the room will make you rich in 1 minute. You would have never imagined such huge benefit will come by such a small action of opening the room. It was there in that room for ages. Just now you got the key. You opened it, suddenly you saw, wow, it is all yours. Many times, small actions you do does not bring big benefits. So you don't trust the small actions can bring big benefits. But rarely small actions do bring big benefits. This action, the action of being prana centered, even if it is small, practiced very little, it brings huge benefits, great benefits. And I tell you, you will become so alive and productive